Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 4th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the satellite imagery across the United States. I had to pause the video because it did not want to upload. So this is the last frame of the system. So we got the seaboard from Pennsylvania down into the Carolinas and Georgia. All of this activity was from Michigan all the way down in the Wisconsin, western Four Corners region as well. The system will continue to push east, south. Try these also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue our forecast journey. All right, let's move on to your forecast chart, and also in the New Brunswick, down along the coastal waters of the eastern seaboard, all the way down to the Florida Keys, back into the Gulf of Mexico, Texas. We got showers and storms stretching from up here from New York, Indiana, portion of Ohio. In the red, not Tennessee, Texas, excuse me. We got Texas, portion of we got Arkansas, portion of Louisiana, portion of Missouri, and also eastern Oklahoma. Also in the gray slashed area, some critical fire weather possible. Some more thunderstorms and showers along the Canadian-U.S. border, into Montana, back into Wyoming, through the Dakotas, and portion of Nebraska. Portion of all of this activity is for your Sunday, May 5th. Alright, let's move on to your Monday forecast. You can see we got some shower activity reporting in northern Maine, also reporting in New Brunswick, also toward northern Vermont, same down toward Rhode Island, also in the coastal waters, also into Nebraska, also part of Iowa and Missouri. Severe thunderstorm possible. The red slashed area from Kansas back into Nebraska, portion of northern Oklahoma. Some flash flooding and heavy rain possible in that region. We have a few pockets of heavy snow in portion of Montana, also in the portion of Wyoming and Idaho, and also Oregon. Some snow will report in Washington State. Mixed precipitation across the portion of southwestern Canada, through California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana. And also we have some shower activity in portion of Washington, Oregon State, along portion of New York State, down to Pennsylvania, toward Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, portion of New Brunswick, Newfoundland, portion of central and southern Florida, Florida Keys, Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, over toward California, including the Gulf of California as well. All of this activity is for your Monday, May 6th. All right, let's move on to the warning advisory map for your locating across the nation. Alright, as you can see here, the watches warning advisory currently across the nation. As you can see around Eastern Virginia, South East there as well in southwestern Georgia. Alright, we have Iowa, down in Missouri, also Illinois, down into Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, also portion of Oklahoma. Flood watches and flood warnings in effect for portion of Oklahoma. Also into Texas, a few flood watches there for a few counties included in Arkansas. Severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Oklahoma over into portions of Arkansas. Flood warning there as well. Flash flood warning. Alright, we got some wind advisory reported in Montana through the Dakotas. Also over in portions of Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, Utah, California, and also into Arizona. Red flag warning for portion of Colorado into Arizona. Getting the states mixed up there. Especially I'm getting confused here about these states, but I'm always getting confused here. Seems like it. But anyway, Wyoming, Montana, also portions of Oregon, also well in Northern California. Alright, in Utah. Alright, we got some gale warning, small craft advisory from California up to Washington State. Right portions, it's got some winter weather advisories. Also, we have on the eastern side, we have some flood watches in effect. Also, southwestern areas, winter storm warning in pink, and a blue is freezing spray warning in that region. All right, let's move on to the HRRR model. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to keep it in motion for tonight, so that way you get a chance to see it how. We're going to see if it'll come up. All day. Video. Finally, soon throw this thing in the trash and quit even making videos. Ugh. We're going to talk about mainly the severe weather part 3, which is Monday, if we can get to it. Here we are. We on Monday. General thunderstorm from up here near Great Falls down towards Philadelphia region, Washington D.C., down in Raleigh, Charlotte, Columbia, Charleston area, down toward Fort Myers. This includes Fort Steele, um, Fort I thought Fort Seal. That's what it is. Fort Seal, Norman, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Woodward, also Wichita, and also toward Lincoln. You are in the enhanced risk. If you're in Norfolk to Omaha to Wichita, you're in the slight risk. And if you live in McCook, Colby, Garden City, Liberal, Abilene, Dallas, over towards Springfield, also in the towards Jefferson City, Des Moines, Iowa, Sioux Falls, you're in the marginal risk area. All right, probability for severe and 15. And a significant area for severe weather coming up on Monday will be Oklahoma City area, 30%. If you're in the 15%, like I said, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, Kansas, and 5% include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. All right, that is all of this is for your Monday. All right, let's move on to day number 4. We'll be there next year. So coming around the corner, be 20 here in no time. So see if we can get to day number 5 here. Stuck on day 4. We back to it. All right. We got 15% more. Let's move on to day number 5. That was just what we seen just a few minutes ago. Alright, here's day number 5. We still got severe weather from Peoria to Cincinnati to Bowling Green, Nashville, Jackson, Memphis, Little Rock down to Waco and Dallas. Also toward Tulsa, Springfield, Kansas, east of Kansas City, Jefferson City, you're included, Hannibal, Springfield, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, Peoria, 15% risk area. And let's take a look at day 6. Be nothing. Yeah. Day 8 looks pretty good too. Right now, just predictability too low. Would not be surprised to see them add some some of that. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Sorry I couldn't show everything. This old computer's a piece of junk. But anyway, I try to do the best I can. I hope everybody has a wonderful Saturday evening. Take care. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe. If you like my weather forecast channel, make sure you subscribe. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care.